Our world is a tapestry woven with borders, cities, and the bustling lives of billions. Above this intricate tapestry lies a vast expanse, the sky. As technology soared, so did our vulnerabilities. The skies became potential avenues for threats, underscoring the need for protection. Enter air defense systems, the guardians of our modern world. They represent a shield against threats, ensuring the safety and security of nations. In an age where threats can emerge from the skies, air defense systems are indispensable. Imagine a vast network of sensors, radars, and watchful eyes constantly scanning the skies. This is the first line of defense in any air defense system: detection. Early warning is crucial in air defense. The quicker a threat is identified, the more time there is to react and neutralize it. This is where the eyes and ears of the system come into play. Radar systems are the workhorses of air defense. They emit electromagnetic waves that bounce off objects in the sky, providing information about their location, speed, and altitude. These radar stations are strategically positioned across a country's terrain, often in remote locations to maximize coverage and minimize interference. They act as tripwires, instantly alerting command centers when an unidentified object enters a nation's airspace. But radars are not alone in this endeavor. Sophisticated sensor systems, often mounted on airborne platforms like surveillance aircraft, provide an additional layer of detection. These sensors can pick up on a variety of signals, from heat signatures to electronic emissions, further enhancing the system's ability to identify potential threats. The data from these various sources is then fed into sophisticated command and control centers, where it is analyzed in real time. Detection is only half the battle. Once a threat is identified, air defense systems must be ready to neutralize it. This is where the Guardians come into play, the weapon systems designed to intercept and destroy hostile targets. These systems are diverse, ranging from long-range surface-to-air missiles to agile fighter jets scrambled to intercept. Surface-to-air missile systems, often referred to as SAMs, are a cornerstone of air defense. These systems are designed to launch missiles from the ground that can intercept and destroy enemy aircraft or missiles while they are still airborne. Missiles come in various ranges and capabilities, some designed for short-range point defense, others capable of engaging targets hundreds of miles away. Fighter jets represent a more mobile and versatile line of defense. Armed with air-to-air missiles and guided by sophisticated radar and targeting systems, fighter jets can quickly respond to threats, engaging enemy aircraft in dogfights or intercepting incoming missiles. The deployment of these weapon systems is not taken lightly. It represents a calculated response, dictated by the nature of the threat and the strategic objectives of the defending nation. Section 4. Shields of nations' air defense systems around the world. Nations worldwide invest in robust air defense systems tailored to their security needs. Let's explore notable examples and their protection. The US relies on a multi-layered air defense network with NORAD at its core. Russia's S-400 Triumph is one of the most advanced systems, engaging a wide range of targets. Israel's Iron Dome is renowned for intercepting short-range rockets and artillery shells. These systems showcase the diversity and sophistication of air defense worldwide. Section 5. The future of protection. Advancements in air defense. As technology continues its relentless march forward, so too do the capabilities of air defense systems. The future of air defense is being shaped by several key advancements, promising even more sophisticated and interconnected protection. One of the most significant developments is the increasing use of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from various sensors and radars in real time, enabling faster and more accurate threat identification and response. Another area of rapid advancement is directed energy weapons, such as lasers. These weapons have the potential to intercept and destroy incoming missiles or aircraft at the speed of light, offering a highly precise and virtually inexhaustible defense mechanism. Furthermore, the integration of hypersonic missiles into air defense systems is rapidly changing the landscape. These missiles, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, significantly reduce the reaction time for defenders and pose a considerable challenge for adversaries. The future of air defense is a dynamic landscape, constantly evolving to counter emerging threats and leverage cutting-edge technology. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.